Hi, this is Rafa Islam and welcome to my portfolio website for English 2210. This is how the homepage for my portfolio looks like. I chose this theme because blue is a nice color and the clouds remind me of summertime. On the homepage, I am supposed to have a 500 words paragraph with a short description of me and what I learned in this course and what my instructors' feedbacks were and how I improved throughout the course. As of now, I definitely don't have them in here, but I will keep editing and adding things to this page as we start going forward. There's a sub-page under this homepage named Reflective Memo. And just like it says, we have to turn in a reflective memo with our all 3 projects at the end of the semester. I'll also finish it when time comes. And in the navigation panel, here I have project 1 page, and here is where I'll need to upload the tutorial video for my project along with project reflection. I'll just click on add files, and that's how I do it. If I go back to my homepage, I was trying to edit the font and color of this word home, but I'm guessing that's just how the default setting is. I can't change it. And yes, that's all. Thank you.